Hey there friends, thanks so much for joining me today for the Elle Studio March 2022 unboxing video. I am so excited to share the new March monthly kit and add-ons with you. First, let's take a look at the monthly kit. When I first see this kit, I know I'm instantly going to love it because of this gorgeous, colorful color scheme, and I love the circle die cut. So take a look at these two die cut sheets. I really love these lined notebook kind of hexagons that have numbers 1, 2, and 3 on them. There's these arrows and banners, a speech bubble that says these are the days, so you could totally use that for any kind of subject. Good times documented. There's a thumbs up and a thumbs down. I love that one, so you can turn it whichever way your story is working for you. Don't worry, be happy. This is awesome. So just really awesome die cuts, super usable ones this month. I have seen these used on layouts, in pockets, and in planners really beautifully. So just gorgeous die cuts this month. We also have 3 4x6 tags. Let me pull out that third one here. It's always the elusive one at the bottom that I have to get out for you guys. But take a look at the gorgeous rainbow 4x6 tag here. I just love this one. I really love this big band of all those warmer hues there. Super pretty. So it's kind of, not like your normal Roy G. Biv rainbow, but gorgeous. This one is really fun too. I could see for sure putting tiny pictures in these spots, maybe having some kind of stamped phrase over here on the side. Really love that one. And then we have this lined notebook one with stars, fave, love, and then a place to put the date. So that's a great journaling tag there. Okay, let's take a look at the 3x4s. How about this? So pretty. Love those colors together. Blues, memories to last a lifetime. Take a look at this seal. You're going to see that a little later. We were here in a beautiful kind of spring green. Blue with stars. Blue, shamrock. So lucky month. Check one, yay or That's a good one. 100% yes, fave, and a star. This is a beautiful teal. Look at how pretty the green and teal are together this month. I just love that. It screams spring to me. This one has the warmer hues in it. 100% yes, the best, good times documented. There are your warmer hues in a 3x4 kind of color blocked card. There is the stars in that pretty coral. The morning, afternoon, and evening in fuchsia. Happiness found here. It's a good one. Really love that pretty yellow. Spring captured. This moment documented. A nice just black and white. Always a favorite. And lastly, this was so good in gray and white. So that is your March 2022 kit. Let's take a look at the coordinating add-ons. The March labels this month are full of color and phrases this time. So we have love this adventure, these are the fun times, glad to be together, taking the scenic route, good times documented, captured on this day, remember simple joys, let's go exploring, this was a lovely day, and family favorite. You could write the date in there, you could write the place in there, you could stamp someone's name. There are just so many things you could do with these. They're also great for layering as well, to use them like a tab behind your photo or on a flip up. Really great labels this month. Next up in our product lineup, we have the Cerulean Blue cardstock label stickers. Another great staple for your stash. We have these in several colors now, and we have Cerulean Blue to join the mix this month. Another staple, the Jane Tile alphabet stickers in sky blue. So you have your sky blue background with your cerulean blue letter, and these are just really beautiful. I hope you can see in the video just how pretty they come across, and I just love these. I can't wait to use them. We also have the little star label stickers. We had the little heart ones, and now we have the little stars. So they have short labels, medium length, and then long labels in several different colors. We also have the heart and star chipboard stickers. We had these in the warm hues before, and now we have them in the cool hues. So these are another great addition, kind of a staple addition to your stash. These are great for stamping on or writing a letter because they have a nice smooth finish to them. We also have the Play All Day chipboard stickers, and I'll turn these this way so you can see how awesome these are. So you have great title possibilities with these: Play All Day, Spring, So Happy, Fave, Big Smiles, and Fun Times. These are just awesome, and their size is great for layouts, but you can also fit them in pockets too. Next up this month are these white acrylic stars. So you have a large star, a medium, and a small star in one pack together. These larger ones are really fun for backing with pattern paper to really give you a custom, really lovely embellishment for your project. Our stamp this month is the Good Times seal stamp. So you saw this on a lot of our tags from the monthly kit this month, but we have some of those really fun seal designs that you can stamp on your own projects. We have Memories to Last a Lifetime, The Best, 100% Yes, a heart and a star, Fave, Good Times Documented, there's a date circle, thumbs up or thumbs down, location, and love, and then you have your solid seals to go along with those in coordinating sizes. We also have a Good Time Seals metal die to go with this stamp this month, but at the time of filming I don't have it yet, so I can't show it to you, but it will cut out these seals for you. So definitely check on that Good Time Seal stamp and coordinating metal die. Speaking of coordinating metal dies, we heard from you guys and we know that you wanted the medium Jane number and alphabet metal dies, and I'm happy to report they are here. So the medium Jane stamps come in solid and outline. Okay, so we've had these in the shop for quite some time, and now we have the coordinating dies to cut those medium Jane alphas and numbers out for you guys. So we are so excited to bring these to the shop this month. Thank you so much for joining me as I unbox the March 2022 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. It is such a happy and fun kit, and I know you will love creating with it as much as I do. If you've been on the fence about becoming a subscriber, this is your lucky day. You definitely want to get in on subscribing this month because you get a 20% off coupon code for your entire add-on order. So on top of the special perks like bundled shipping for 24 hours, free digitals, and discounts, you get that awesome 20% off coupon code to use on any of these new add-ons or anything else in the shop that you've had your eye on. Thanks so much for joining me. Be sure to check out my process video this month, and happy creating with your Elle Studio March 2022 kit and add-ons.